Well, in this video we're going to demonstrate a technique for changing a light bulb in the Rangemaster cooker hood. You can see here we've got one bulb out, one bulb functioning. So we'll power that down. Now this bulb assembly can be accessed through one of the filters, but it has a lock here that is holding the bulb in place, and that's what needs to come down. They are very, very stiff. What you need to do is get a screwdriver under there and oyster it open at the front. There you go. Comes down. It's actually hooked in at the side, and then you should be able to drop the bulb assembly down. This is a standard GU10 assembly bulb. Just let me remove that and show you how to change this, but it can be accessed entirely from the undersurface of the cooker hood. I've now removed the faulty bulb from its connections. It's a standard lock GU10 assembly. It's 240 volt, not a low voltage unit, so just a standard LED replacement bulb can be put back into this socket, and then you just replace the light assembly back into the underside of the hook and push and lock this retaining clip back in place to replace the bulb.